On December 2nd, 2025, at the intersection of Olympic Boulevard and Alvarado Street in Los Angeles, an undercover detective sits at a red light. Suddenly, a violent chase erupts right in front of his vehicle. A man armed with a knife, a victim on the ground, and a split-second decision that would change everything. This is Blue Line Raw.
William 81, officer needs help. Shots fired. Olympic Alvarado. I got a male on the ground at gunpoint. I need help.
All units, officer needs help. Olympic and Alvarado. Officer needs help. Vulture and Alvarado. Shots fired. Officers go 6 with a suspect on the ground.
While the detective calls for help, patrol units quickly converge on the scene to secure the area and provide medical aid.
13, get a Harley rolling. I don't know if anybody said it or not.
I'll hold that one. All right, assistant. Got it. All this guy. Hey. Get on the sidewalk. Yeah. Hey, hands to your side. Hands to your side. Manos al lado. I'm gonna have come, okay? Give me that, bro. Don't move, okay? What is that? You gonna stuff it or what? It's not bleeding. The bleeding just stopped.
Yeah, it's coming, okay? Huh?
Yeah. You know what? Got blood on my You got what? I got blood on my shirt.
Johnny Valencia is now in handcuffs, but the investigation into what drove this man to commit such a brazen attack is only just beginning. At the scene, investigators recovered the tactical folding pocket knife used by Johnny Valencia in the assault. The victim suffered multiple stab wounds to his arm and torso, though he fortunately remains in stable condition. While the weapon itself was compact, the sheer brutality of the strikes captured on the dash camera makes the suspect's intent undeniable. Let us break down the most critical seconds of this encounter. As the victim falls to the street, Johnny Valencia does not hesitate. We can count 4 distinct stabbing motions delivered with brutal force. This is no longer just a chase, it is an active execution attempt. Notice the response time of the undercover detective. He fires exactly 3 rounds. In law enforcement training, officers are taught to fire until the threat is neutralized. With 4 stabs already delivered, the detective had no choice but to use immediate deadly force to save a life. One glaring detail remains unaddressed in the official briefing. Look closely at the background during the struggle. An unidentified individual is seen blocking the victim's path and delivering several kicks while the victim is on the ground. As of this recording, the Los Angeles Police Department has only filed charges against Johnny Valencia. This raises an important question for the ongoing investigation. Was this person an accomplice or simply a bystander caught in the chaos? Since this case is still under investigation and has not yet gone to trial, it remains unclear if further arrests are pending or if this individual has been cleared by authorities. The presence of this person adds an unresolved layer to an already complex scene. Perhaps the most disturbing part of this case is the demeanor of Johnny Valencia after his arrest. Even while wounded and in handcuffs, he shows a total lack of fear or anxiety. He appears completely detached from the gravity of his actions. In criminal psychology, this flat affect can be a sign of a deep state of mental instability. Valencia does not look like a man who just survived a shootout. He looks like a man who is indifferent to the life he almost took. Johnny Valencia is currently charged with attempted murder and is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. What are your thoughts on the unidentified person at the scene? Do you think the investigation will lead to further charges? Let us know in the comments below. The most important details are often the ones hidden in plain sight. If you appreciate a perspective that looks beyond the surface of the official reports, join our community as we continue to uncover the truth behind the thin blue line. Subscribe to Blue Line Raw and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the cases that define public safety. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next analysis.